Credit Rescue Center has helped thousands of people reach their financial freedom, including me. Let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Peter. I used to have bad credit. At the time, I was in search of a new place I could call a home of my own. But no one would approve me for a home loan, because my credit score was so low. I decided to take the first step to a better lifestyle. I called Credit Rescue Center at 877-477-3728. Credit Rescue Center was able to increase my credit by adding positive credit lines to my report each month, removing negative items, using the Fair Credit Reporting Act to make the law work for me, by giving me 50% off of my first payment for signing up with a friend, and educating me every step of the way. With Credit Rescue Center's secure online access portal, I was able to view my progress and monitor all 3 of my scores 24/7. While I watched my score rise, I also had peace of mind knowing Credit Rescue Center provides identity theft and fraud protection. Credit Rescue Center was able to help me get approved, get the lowest interest rate and get on with my life in my new home. And they can do the same for you. Give Credit Rescue Center a call today to see how they can improve your life too. 877-477-3728 or visit them online at creditrescuecenter.com.